One, two, I like that.
Got me feeling like I care.
Hi. Hello. Mommy loves you. Hi. Hello. Come. Hi. Lula. We love you. Lula. Hi. Hello. Oh, mommy, yeah. Cuckoo. Mommy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my cozy fall night routine, my night/evening routine. As you can see, the first thing I always do is take time and spend it with my cats. I feel like if I watch so many cat things, and they always say that your cats are waiting home for you every single day, so I spend time with them. They look forward to a treat every single evening, and this was a hack that I picked up, which was to cut a churro in half, and then you get like 2 mini churros that you can feed them individually. Obviously this only works if you have 2 cats, and as you can see, they know this routine by heart. They jump onto the couch and they have their churro. It's their favorite thing in life, and I really make sure to spend like a good 10, 15, even 20 minutes just giving them their treats, playing with them, and obviously giving them all the love and attention in the world. By the way, this is so random. I have a sun catcher in my living room and it casts like the prettiest rainbow. Like you can see it moving on the wall right now. But anyway, I would go ahead and light my fairy lights. These are my fall fairy lights. Light a candle. And then I will go ahead, laze around a little bit and change into my workout clothes because I'm trying to get back into my routine of working out. So I typically work out like 4 days a week, 4 evenings a week. And then after I work out, I would do like some sort of HIIT workout, some sort of cardio, Pilates or something like that. And then I would go on a walk because outside is so nice right now, and I know it's going to get darker really, really soon. So I love having that evening walk. It makes me feel like so much less stressed. Like I can't describe it. Like I feel less anxious. I just take my mind off things and I just really enjoy outside, and my cats literally just stay inside and sleep, and they wait for me to come back home. After my workout and my walk, I would take a really nice shower, and then of course I'm set in all of those cozy mood and vibes by lighting a candle. And tonight I'm going to be making my amazing udon noodle soup. You guys, I have the full recipe. I will leave it linked in. This is like my go-to comfort meal, and I thought what perfect time to just enjoy these warm, filling soups. I made a promise to myself that every single month I will try a new recipe. So this was one of the recipes that I learned how to make. And let me just say, I am just obsessed. Like I have been making this at least once a week, and it is so simple to make. So since I started making this, I don't really buy the ramen packs anymore because it's not as healthy as doing like your own homemade udon broth. Look how delicious this looks. I added mushrooms and corn this time, but I would normally have like cold tofu. You can add like shrimp or maybe some cooked chicken, however you would like. You can try so many different things. That is the beauty of these udon noodle broths. There are just so many different toppings you can choose from. You can really get creative. So definitely try making this, you guys. It is absolutely amazing and it will become a staple. So I like watching a show while I'm eating, and right now I am actually, believe it or not, watching American Horror Story only because Kim K is in it. I don't ever watch horrors, but from what I'm seeing so far, it is like a thriller. It's not really like that gory kind of horror as yet. So I'm going strong and I'm watching it all by myself. So I'm really, really proud. Fall and this time of year is honestly my season to indulge, and after I eat sometimes I have a sweet tooth, and what I've been doing is making my pumpkin pancakes, which I made in a previous video, so I'm not gonna like go over the entire thing with you guys, but oh my goodness, I might need an intervention. And also, these are my cats. Every time I'm in the kitchen, they are on my island just gearing up to just get everything. The pumpkin pancakes I love because the Dash mini waffle maker, oh my goodness, it gives you the cutest little pancakes. It is so easy. You don't even have to like use anything. It literally is non-stick. I think I'm gonna get more in these because I'm literally in love with them. It makes it so easy, and this is why I currently have a pumpkin pancake obsession. Okay, so I might get a little judged here. I love butter on my pancakes, like butter on your hot pancakes, and it just melts and it tastes so good. So this is really what I mean when I really indulge during this time of year. I would not normally eat this at all, but I mean, why not? It is giving all the fall cozy vibes. I have been in my reading girl era. This is the Invisible Life of Addie LaRue, I think is the name of the book that I'm reading right now. But I have been reading every single night now because it really helps me again de-stress myself, and it honestly makes me feel much better as opposed to just watching tons of Netflix. I would make a really nice hot cup of tea and enjoy a cozy book with my fall candles and just being on my couch reading all night until I feel sleepy. If you have any book suggestions, definitely comment it down below. I love reading like magical themed books with some mystery and all of those fun things. I hope that you enjoyed my cozy fall evening/night routine. I really look forward to these moments, especially because I'm at work all day. So thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.